Hey everybody, it's Lynn Law and I'm here at CES 2019 at the Royole booth. Royole is a Chinese startup and they're known for making really thin, flexible touchscreens. This year they're showing off kind of like a bunch of different random applications for the touchscreen. We got one right here, starting with a smart speaker with a flexible screen. The speaker has a 7.8-inch AMOLED touchscreen that bends at 100 degrees. You can swipe through the screen to play music, watch movies, or just tap the interactive home screen. Though it wasn't set up while we were taking a look at it, the speaker also has an 8-megapixel camera up top that pops up and rotates 180 degrees for taking pictures and video calls. The speaker is also integrated with Alexa and Google, so you could ask it different queries and command it to control your smart home devices. Royole also showed off its flexible QWERTY keyboard, which can be laid on any smooth surface and connected to your phone via Bluetooth. It can work wirelessly, and when you're done, push the button twice and it will roll up so you can carry it around in your pocket. On standby, I'm told its battery lasts for months. Though it was a little hard to type on, it looks really cool, and the transparent surface is thin and flexible. Lastly, the company showed off its Smart Touch selfie stick. It's already available in China at Brookstone stores, and it features these multi-touch sensors around the handle. This allows you to navigate through a dedicated camera app, so you could switch between different editing features and filters on the phone. Royole also demoed a few other applications for its technology, including an interactive toy robot and purses that are integrated with its flexible touchscreen. And there you have it. For more info on all the devices Royole showed off this year at CES, check out CNET.com.